Hello you guys and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to do something that I have, now that I think about it, never done on this channel actually. But I'm going to do a little challenge because I thought let's just spice it up and do something fun today. So I'm going to do the most well-known challenge in the pottery community, I think, which is throwing blindfolded. I have actually already done this challenge one time about 4 years ago, I think. For a TikTok video. You can see it here. I was younger, but I did actually pretty well. And I've been throwing pottery ever since, so I've also gotten better at pottery. In that video I made a bowl, but in this video I thought it would be fun to then make a vase, because I've never made a vase blindfolded. And yeah, the previous video was 4 years ago or even older, I don't know. First I'm going to blindfold myself. Yes, okay. I hope this will work. Okay, amazing. I don't see anything. Oh, I don't even know where I put the ball of clay actually. Okay, got it. Let's just... Yes. This feels so weird. Okay, oh, I don't think I put it in the middle. Did I? Oh no, I did not at all. Did I? No. Okay, we'll try that again. How do I know where the middle is? Let me see, it's here. Is it? Oh, that is better. That is better. Okay. Let's see if I can get this thing centered. Okay, it feels very weird. But it's quite fun to do, so I would really... If I were you, I would try it out. It's a different experience than I expected. But I read about this online somewhere, that this is actually quite a good thing to do to learn how to throw as well. Now I'm just doing it for fun because I already can throw, but when you just try this out, you will feel if the clay is centered instead of trying to look at it and see if it's centered. Yeah, that will teach you how something should feel, I think, because you can like look at it and think, oh, it's centered, but if you know how it feels when it's centered, I think that works better than knowing how it should look. It is centered, not many struggles so far, but I feel like not really much can go wrong when centering, because the piece of clay can't really collapse. Yeah, it also feels weird not looking in the camera. I'm sorry for not making eye contact in this video, but that's just a little bit hard. Oh, this is weird. I'm now going to open up the clay, and normally I can just see where the middle is, but now I will just have to feel it. I'm also not entirely sure how thick the bottom is, because normally I'll also just look at that. But I of course can't do that right now. Let me see if I have my sponge somewhere. Nope, another one. Yes, okay. It's actually going quite well. I expected it to go well, but it's actually harder than I thought. It feels weird. It feels weird. Even though I always feel how I throw, it is different when I'm not looking at it. Okay, now I'm going to pull up the walls, which is going to be the most difficult part, I'm afraid. It's just going to be a little bit of a struggle, I feel like, because yeah, normally I can... Well, I can see it. That makes a difference. Okay, here we go, here we go. Okay, tell me in the comments how it's going, because I have no idea. I really can't wait to look back at this footage while editing, because I know this is just going to be funny, because it's probably not looking the way that I think it's looking. It's not as high as I thought it was. I felt like I was just putting my arms really high, but well, the water is very cold. It is very cold in the Netherlands again. I'm a little bit upset about it. I really can't wait for it to get warmer. I've probably already said that in... Oh, is there clay on my shirt? Normally I don't get clay on my clothes. I hope not. But it's very cold in the Netherlands right now. Again. Yeah, I thought it was spring. It was like spring for 2 days. And then it got cold again, so that's unfortunate, but that's okay. Well, actually it's not okay, but I'll manage. Something is happening here, I don't know what. I think I can fix it by just pulling it up one more time and just moving very carefully. The clay is already quite thin, and I feel like I should be able to throw a higher cylinder with this amount of clay than I am throwing now. So I'm afraid that I may have kept the bottom a little bit too thick, because I'm missing some clay or something. I feel like I could have made it a lot higher, but maybe it's all in the bottom, I'm not sure. kind of getting used to it, weird enough. I thought it would stay weird, but I'm kind of going with it. If I may get blinds in the future, which I really hope not because I like looking around, I would probably still be able to make pottery, so that's nice. Okay, I don't know if that did anything. I mean, it is a nice cylinder. Yeah, I can't really put it up any thinner. Oh, what happened there? Okay. I think I'm just going to try to give it a nice shape. And that's also mainly the part when I'm just looking at it to see what shape I like. Now, I guess we're just going to feel what shape I like. Normally I work with a sponge from the outside when making the shape, but I feel like if I do that then I can't really know what it will look like because it's more hard to feel. Okay, it's getting a little bit rounder at the base now, which I like. Not sure what the top is looking like. Oh, this is scary. Am I in it? Oh yeah, okay. I thought it was in front of it maybe. But I first take out all of the butter and slip on the inside because we don't want that in there when I'm closing the shape. Okay. I don't know if all of this is out. I hope it is. Now we're going to make this a little bit thinner at the top. That's going to be a little bit scary because sometimes it becomes a little bit uneven and then I have to cut off. Ooh, I moved my arm. And then I have to cut off the rim with a needle tool, which is like most of the time not really a problem. But I don't think I can use the needle tool when I'm blindfolded. I also don't know if my needle tool is on my wheel right now. Okay, I'm going to pull up this rim a little bit and pull it even more inwards. It's moving just a little bit. Should I cut it off? I don't know. Normally I would, I think. Also, I'm not entirely sure what the shape is, what is happening here. I thought this part was rounder than it is. We're going to push it outwards a little bit. Does that look better? I don't know. Yeah, it feels better, so that's nice. Yeah, the rim is a little bit wobbly, so we are going to cut it off. Okay, oh, this is going to be very scary. Okay, let me see. I have done this very often, so I should be able to do this with my eyes closed, but it's just a little bit hard because normally I see where I'm pushing it inwards, but now I don't. Right here. I think it went well. Did it went well? I also don't know where to leave this thing actually, because I always put it in my bucket. But I know that I put my bucket a little bit more up front, but I don't want to throw it on the ground. So we'll just place it somewhere here. Okay. Where is it? Hello? Oh, hello. Oh, that went, okay, it's still a little bit wobbly, but I'm just going to leave it like, no, it's not. Okay. Yeah, was it? It is. A little bit, no. I don't know, mate. Okay, I think I like the shape. So one last thing I'd like to do is take the sponge, clean it a little bit, and now I'm going over it with the sponge to get rid of any water or slip. Normally I work from the top to the bottom, but it's a little bit scary to grab the top because I don't know where the top is. Is it looking smooth? I hope it is. I don't know. Okay, I hope it's smooth. If it's not, I'm sorry. Then we grab a wooden knife, the right side. This is also going to be a little bit scary. I'm going to press it in to the bottom here. Yeah, this is really weird not to be able to see. Ooh, oh no, oh, that's not feeling right. I feel one very big lump of clay. Oh no, I'm pressing it in way too deep. Is it? I don't know. Oh, I think I kept the base very thick. Maybe this is the clay that I was looking for. I think it was here. Oh no, did I just ruin the whole piece? Oh no, it's still standing. Okay, I should not have done this. What is happening? This is going to ruin the entire piece. I felt like everything was going well, and now this. Oh, I don't think this is going how it's supposed to. Oh, there's clay underneath my nails. The face here feels still very nice. Underneath it, not so much. It will need some trimming. Shall I do blindfolded trimming? I don't think that would go well. If you want me to trim blindfolded, let me know in the comments, and I'll do it for you, but I don't think it will be a success. Oh, did I get it? No. Where is it? Oh, there. Ooh. I'm afraid that the face needs a little bit of smoothing out here at the bottom. Sponge. Yes. I'm just going to press this on here so that it smooths out a little bit. Amazing. Okay. I think we did it. Did we do it? I don't know. Okay, I'm going to take my blindfold off and we're going to see what happens. Hello. Actually, it looks amazing. It has a very different shape than I thought, but it looks great. I actually like it. It went better than I thought. The thing I like most about it, yeah, the shape actually. I felt like it was like very round and I felt like the top was very thin, but that was not the case. I did cut it off quite nicely, so that's amazing. I don't know what happened with all of the clay on the bed. That was a little bit intense. There's also quite some water on the inside. I should have taken that out, but apart from that, it went actually quite well. So this was a fun experiment. I learned more about how you can feel the shape of the piece, even though I thought I was making a different shape. I did feel that it was a nice shape in some way, and it also looks like a nice flowing shape. Maybe I should do this more often. Let me know. I could also, I'm thinking about this may be a little bit too ambitious, but what would be fun is making a full collection blindfolded. To just make everything so that it feels nice instead of looks nice. Right at this moment, I'm thinking like that's a great idea. When I get started, I'm probably like, oh, why am I doing this? But I can also just make it a small collection, you know? But yeah, okay. Enough talking. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this experience as much as I did. If you're going to try throwing blindfolded after watching this video, please let me know in the comments how it went, or send me a picture anywhere where you'd like, because I'd love to hear or see how it went for you. I wish you a nice week. I hope to see you next week, and enjoy your life, enjoy your week, enjoy your day, enjoy your evening, your afternoon or your morning. And I'd like to see you next week. Bye bye!